bono ntage tora understand kwanza amangana yecha generally.
Yes, generally.
Ekaro kuligera Kenya ngima ntobwata chi category ibere.
Yes.
Chia management yecha.
Yes.
Mbaro bali babati chi estate. Ebako ba managed under gento tokoroka KTGA. Kenya Tea Growers Association.
Yes.
The large scale estates.
Bali bagusumika sobo abo.
Kuna chirichire kericho. Na abale mi abanda bakabaka. Ebale managed under KTDA. KTDA kale igo yarenge parastato ya serikali.
Oh yes.
Na serikali nero ya chagete kwa gacha factory. Yes. Up to some time in the late 90s, serikali yakatanga bono tiga serikali yeru SHI. HI be managed like a private business.
Oh yes.
Then eka change kuru Kenya Tea Development Authority, eka Kenya Tea Development Agency Limited. So the assets chirichi arenge chi authority chikaba transferred to the agency. Chi factory chirichi once pichia kere factory ese yarenge. Abale me bali go deliver cha ororo bakabagero shares, bakaba shareholders. Igobona chi factory chiri owned na abale mi. Koru ororo abale mi baganza kwagacha bona chi factory chinyia.
Oh yes.
Una bono ekaro kuligereri kiamo kama ekagacha lia nyamwamu.
Yes.
You see.
Yeah.
Tombe ekagacha gianchole.
Gianchole.
So chikana koenda igo paka bono chiavere chi factory almost 24 usiengima. Bono chi factory chionsipi abale mimbale mbabwate structure ya representation. Kero mole minali represent ngochora bale they are representatives.
Yes.
Ocha akere buying center. Ntobwate buying center committees. Kogoche factory. Ntobwate factory directors. Bago choru na balemi. Tali bago choru na KTDA. Bago choru na balemi. Gokorwe factory ntobwate directors ba KTDA. KTDA board. Bago choru na balemi bado koru. They are representatives ya bono factory directors. Na bago choru regional representative ogochi we karanse board ya KTDA.